Over the past several years, breakthroughs in gene therapy have led to treatments for rare diseases that were deadly just a decade ago. Take Zolgensma. In 2019, it was the first gene therapy approved by the FDA to treat spinal muscular atrophy, a rare genetic disease that affects the mobility of infants and children. But gene therapies have historically had two drawbacks: they are only used for rare diseases, and they carry a hefty price tag. Treatment with Zolgensma costs $2.1 million. Kriya Therapeutics is trying to overcome these obstacles by creating gene therapies for the masses, and manufacturing them at a lower cost. On Wednesday, the startup announced that it had raised a $100 million Series B funding round to get it closer to this goal. The round was led by investors from Spark Capital and also involved investors from QVT, Dexcel Pharma, Foresite Capital, Bluebird Ventures, Transhuman Capital, Narya Capital, Amplo, and the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation T1D Fund. We think this is going to be an extraordinarily important therapeutic class that will revolutionize the treatment of many diseases, says Jim Momtazee, managing partner at Spark Capital. The Silicon Valley-based company was founded in late 2019 by three pharmaceutical industry alums, including a former co-founder of Spark Therapeutics and the former president of United Therapeutics Corp. Shankar Ramaswamy, Kriya's CEO, was part of the foundational team at Roivant Sciences. The new round brings the company's total funding to $180 million. The company declined to reveal its valuation. Kriya's main focus is its uniquely designed adeno-associated viruses that are harmless when they enter the body, but deliver instructions to cells that then pump out genes that are missing in some people with genetic diseases. Though the company still plans to develop treatments for rare diseases, what sets it apart is its focus on more common genetic diseases, like some forms of diabetes and obesity. So far, gene therapy has been really constrained in many respects from achieving its full potential, Ramaswamy says. We are believers in gene therapy being applied to rare diseases as well as prevalent diseases. Ramaswamy's goal is to build a company that can go from genetic target discovery to manufacturing and then full commercialization of new therapies, unlike a typical biotech startup that might partner with a large pharmaceutical company for the later stages of development. Ramaswamy says the company will be open to partnerships, but can bring a drug to commercialization on its own. Once the company discovers and develops new gene therapies, its 51,000 square foot manufacturing facility in North Carolina can produce adeno-associated viruses at scale to deliver the genes to patients in need. Ramaswamy says that capability will bring down the cost, with savings passed along to patients.